Whether you're preparing your first package or are a seasoned shipper, we're here to help you deliver. Opening a FedEx business or personal account can provide you with a host of benefits online and in-store, like expedited and freight discounts, faster and easier shipping, tools to help you manage your shipments, and if you opt to receive emails, you can receive important updates, value-add content, and offers from FedEx. You can also take advantage of free FedEx packaging and the ability for businesses to enroll in the FedEx Rewards program that offers more rewards for the more they ship. For step-by-step guidance on how to open your FedEx account, visit fedex.com/account.